In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Smash File Transfer to send large files. This is similar to WeTransfer and a lot of other services, but you can use this one to send up to 2 GB for free. So you want to go to fromsmash.com and that will take you to their interface. From here, you can click and it will open up a file explorer. Alternatively, you can go ahead and just drag your file on. So I'm going to share this MP4 file, which if we right click and go to properties, you can see that it is 638 megabytes. So I'm going to drag this onto Smash, and you can drag on as many files as you need to share, as long as they're under 2 GB. If they are above 2 GB, I do believe you can still send them. You just have to join a queue. You can either share now from email or a link. So if you want to share to someone specific through email, enter in their email, enter in their details here and a message, and you can click send. They will then receive an email with a link which will allow them to download. For the video though, I'm just going to share via a link. We'll give it a title and we'll fill in these fields here. So enter in all of your info here, then click get a link, and it's then going to generate a link that you can share with someone else. So just confirm your email by entering in the security code, which happens to be here for me. Once you've done that, you can then generate the link. And what's going to happen, it's going to upload your files to the Smash server. So this will depend on your internet connection. Mine's quite fast, so it does it relatively fast. Once it's uploaded, you can then copy this link and you can then give this to any recipient and they will then be able to just download this file. So once they go to the link, they can then preview the file, they can click on it and they will be able to then download it. So that's how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.